This place is a mess. I have to clean this before I can start to do anything here again. I have to get rid of these small pieces of wood. Some of these woods, like these ones, I can maybe burn. How is this possible? Broken. This one, I think this is the most unuseful project that I ever made. Kids doesn't want to play with this. There is no touchscreen. You can't go to internet with this. So, and it's also crazy big. So I just have to throw it away. But it was a nice project. You can actually watch the video if you want. It seems that it's been some kind of rain season here in Switzerland. That means that I can't really do much with my car, because I don't have a garage. I also like to work outside if I'm doing some woodworking stuff, so I really can't do that either. Now it's getting better. In the morning it was quite cold, +5 I think. Now it's sunny. It's not raining, which is a surprise. But still it's pretty cold. So pretty much all I can do at the moment, if I have time, is cleaning. That's not a bad thing. I have to do it someday. Okay, much better already. These are something that I really don't have a good place, and I have lots of these. Well, it's not perfect. I still have lots of wood what I have to throw away, or some of those maybe I can burn or use something. But this that's very important thing. I really like that I have now better access to my tools, and that's a good thing. Here is this one. Here is some drinks if I'm getting thirsty, some clamps. Table saw is here, and thickness planer, more clamps here. This one, it's there, that's the original place. I'm happy about that. Toolbox, and this one is here. That's pretty heavy and big machine, but I think that's a good place for that. The most important thing is that this table is now free to use again. Yes, I still have here some wood. I hope I can use some of those for something. Here's my vacuum cleaner. And here is wood for my table project. Hopefully I can start this very soon. I'm so happy that I could now clean this weather. It's been crazy bad for a long time. Almost every day, a little bit of raining. Luckily it's now getting better and warmer. I can do something outside. I can again start my audio upgrade project to my car. And the most important thing, I can start this kitchen or dining table project. And like I showed you, I already have wood for legs and this frame, and I will start with that. Yep. I think when I was last time here, I think this year I didn't do anything here. This beginning of the year, it's been so crazy busy. So I hope it will change now and I can finally start my projects. So that's it, guys. See you guys next time.